Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to set up a VPN on Android. If you know a VPN connection or you already know your VPN details, what we can do is we can input that in our device. First, let's go to our settings and then we will search for VPN. Here, let's click on VPN and we should be able to see what VPNs we are connected with. And you should be able to see some available VPN networks. I already have Surfshark installed as one of my VPN. Let's go ahead and click on this. As you can see, this application is not free, so let's go ahead and look for an alternative. Let's head over to Play Store and we'll type in VPN. Here we can see some VPN applications that we can use, and you can go ahead and explore for which VPN is the best for you. I'll go ahead and choose the first option, Super VPN. Go ahead and install. And let's go ahead and open this application. To be able to use VPN for free, you will need to go through some ads, and when the ads are finished, we can go ahead and click connect. And there you go. It shows that we are now connected and our VPN is working. You can now fully explore what you need. We can even change our location by clicking on the top right and selecting our location. Let's go ahead and click connect. And now our VPN is connected using this server. And there you go. We have now set up our VPN for Android. I hope you have found this tutorial useful, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and see you next time.